Welcome back to this video. The very first thing I'm going to do is to create a new file folder entirely, whereby I'm going to unzip RAR file tool. So for that, I'm going to come to the window environment right here. I will simply right click on my window environment. Then I'll make sure I go to new right here. I'm going to go to new right here, and I'll make sure I go to folder right here. So here I will just name it unzip. Okay, I'm going to name it unzip. Unzip folders. I will hit enter. Now here, this is where I'm going to drag the RAR file into, and I will extract everything right here. So for that, I'm going to use this particular RAR file right here. I will simply drag it and drop it in this particular folder. So it's going to quickly drag. The next thing I'm going to do is to double click on this file folder. Then we have it right here. So you can see the RAR file right here. So what we want to do now, you can see RAR file. So what we want to do is to select on the file. So having select on the file, simply right click on it. The next thing you want to do right here is to be sure you click on extract file here. Click on that, and in a few seconds it's going to extract the file, and you'll be able to see everything you have in that particular file, just like what you see right here. So just like so. Now we have the file data right here in AI file format, just like what you see right here. Now we can easily delete the RAR file. You can extract as many as possible RAR file in your Windows PC with this particular format right here. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.